Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to clean the filter, which you should do every 3 to 6 months, you'll need to open the lid. So let's take the robot out of its charging station, open the lid right here, and now make sure to take it out. Take the hold on a second. Take the dustbin out. To do that, lightly press here and hold here like so.
Dustbin removed.
And now there is this little notch. Open it up and the filter will be right here. You can take it out and I'll tell you how to clean it in just a little moment. Remove the dust from the dustbin if you haven't done that before automatically. Make sure to clean it here as well. It is pretty important. Then for the filter, you can simply rinse it with cold water. First, tap it on like a side of the trash bin to dislodge some visible dust. Then rinse it with cold water and make sure you let it dry, as well as the dustbin. You let them both dry for at least 24 hours and do not use soap. All of these things, it's important that you do it the correct way, not to destroy the filter, as well as to prevent mold. That's why you need to let both dry for at least 24 hours. Now let's open the door here again. Let's put the filter in, and to do that, I think that the side doesn't matter, or the side doesn't matter. Make sure that you push it into this like place right here first, and then you can just press it on, close the door, put it back in,
Dustbin installed,
and close the lid. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.